Good afternoon. Welcome to day 354 at the EMA office, where we're going to give you the latest numbers on the COVID. Joined here with Chairman Mark Kern, and today we are pleased and honored to have Mila back with us. This is kind of like a break for you, isn't it?
It is. It's a little different scenery.
Thank you for being here.
Right. Thanks, Herb. So for today, Tuesday, February the 2nd, there are 46 new positive test results out of a total of 830 for the day. The age range of positive individuals is under 10 and in their 80s. The county positivity rate is at 5.5%, with a 7-day rolling average at 5.9%. The regional positivity as of February the 26th is at 3.8%. There are 4 new deaths today, unfortunately, males and females. There's 2 males and 2 females with an age range of 70 to in their 90s with unknown health conditions. Condolences to those families. Countywide, we have conducted a total of 287,353 tests, consisting of 28,112 positives and 259,241 negatives. The total number of deaths to date is 450. To date, the number of individuals who've completed their 10-day isolation period is 27,122. Statewide, we've conducted a total of 18,234,668 tests. Total positive of those is 1,189,416, and that's an increase of 1,577 from yesterday. Total deaths today is 20,583. Condolences to those families, and that's an increase of 47 from yesterday. St. Clair County hospitalization numbers. The total number of COVID-related hospitalized patients in St. Clair County is at 45. Regionally, we're at 84. Patients on ventilators for St. Clair County is at 2, and regionally we're at 4. Congregate cases, or care cases, announcing new cases today. We have one new case at Knollwood Retirement Center in Caseyville. Again, go ahead with testing. We do want everybody to know their status before they're out in the community. We have testing Monday through Sunday at St. Clair Square from 8 to 4, as well as CVS, Walgreens, and Cahokia, and in other opportunities as well. But it is important that you know if you're positive. Again, you can be asymptomatic and be out spreading. Just because you've received a dose of the vaccine does not mean that you can discontinue wearing a mask or washing your hands or socially distancing. So please continue those practices. Okay. Chairman Kern?
Thanks, Molly. Yeah, I stopped by Walgreens today on the east end and east end of Belleville, and they at the drive-through facility they were actually putting the test out the drawer, and they had a pharmacist watch the person take the test. So it is ongoing, and people are still getting tested. But we encourage you to get tested if you think you've been exposed at all. It's really important to isolate the virus.
Right.
And St. Clair Square is still running and is still the #1 site probably
Correct.
in the state.
Right. Monday through Sunday from 8 to 4. So we encourage, again, everybody to get out there, to be tested, to receive vaccine when it's your time, and as well as to continue to practice those 3 W's, because we don't want people to become complacent. We don't want the positivity to rise again. It takes the community to keep everything in check.
Great. Thank you, Mila. Okay, let's take a look at those zip codes for today. 62206 up 3 to 1,263. 62207, 1 new COVID positive to bring us to 575. 62220 up 2 to 2,000. 62221 up 4 to 2,703. 62223 up 1 to 1,695. 62226 up 5 to 3,103. 62232 up 1 to 873. 62240 up 1 to 154. 62243 up 3 to 747. 62260 up 1 to 768. 62257 up 1 to 338. 62264 up 2 to 347. 62269 up 3 to 3,171. And 62285 up 1 to 555. 46 new positives, 830 people tested, brings our county positivity down to 5.5%. When rolled into the 7-day rolling average, we're the same today at 5.9%. Regional positivity remains 3.8% today, and that's because Bond calls in at 3.6%, Clinton 5.1%, Madison 5.8%, Monroe 7%, Randolph County doing a great job at 0% today, St. Clair, good job Team St. Clair, 3.3%, and Washington County has a 6.9% positivity rate. So Herb, it seems like we're 11 days away from 1 year. Are you doing the countdown yet?
It sounds like you are. I say them every day, 354. So we're moving right along, and it's we got to have a little laugh some of these days. Milo, I just want to read something here to you. Ron Franklin, Team St. Clair member, says, just wanted to thank the National Guard, the healthcare workers, and Team St. Clair. My wife and I got our second shot today. Total time, 45 minutes. Great job.
Awesome.
So
We
again,
like to hear
I mean,
that.
that's just, I think, a tribute to the staff that you've got working down there. And
Right.
I was there this morning, and everybody's just hitting on all cylinders. And, we're going to be doing some expansion because we're, hopefully, if the vaccine continues to come, we're going to be able to put a few more citizens through there. And we'll be talking more about that in the next couple of days. I got to go to Fairview Heights. I told you I got invited over there to the Rotary Club. Was several people there, social distancing, all had their mask on when I walked in. And they were just, a lot of them had got their shots at the fairgrounds and was just talking about how great it was. So I wanted to give a shout out to the Fairview Heights Rotary Club. Mayor Kupski was there. So everybody is just talking about the operation there at the fairgrounds. So let the staff know that.
Sure will.
And we know that the best way to get a part of that and can get that shot is to sign up on the availability, your interest list on the EMA page or on the health department. Today, we've had 100,785 citizens that signed up, shown interest. That's 1,205 since yesterday, so the demand is still out there. And
But once again, remember, you're not going to be in the 100,000
No.
category. If you sign up and your category is up right now, given that we're hoping to get some more vaccine in very quickly, we'll be signing you up very quickly.
Right.
So, and believe me when I say that these two people at this desk are working daily to try to get that vaccine. It's both Mila and the chairman. They're ringing the phones with the powers to be, our state representatives that are trying to do the best they can and have been doing a great job for 354 days now. So Team St. Clair is doing a great job. Continue to spread the word. If you know somebody who hasn't signed up, get them to do that, and let's get some more needles in the arms. We'll be back tomorrow for day 355.
I have one more thing I want to add.
Please.
So on February 1st and 2nd, we ran Moderna at the Mass Vac Clinic. The state changed our allocation to Pfizer, which we've done since that time. So we've had Pfizer since basically February the 3rd. For those individuals who received vaccine that was Moderna for February 1st and 2nd, we've then partnered with St. Elizabeth's to provide that second dose out to individuals. Those individuals have been notified by the health department as well as St. Elizabeth's with instructions on how to make appointments. St. Elizabeth's knows who those individuals are. Please do not show up without an appointment or call them. You should have the information to set your appointment, okay, if you qualify for the February 1st or 2nd Moderna group, okay? So I just wanted to make sure that people are all on the same page with that.
And Mila, we've heard from people who have called that they have to go on My Chart, and some need to fill out My Chart. And your recommendation for that?
Right, so they can either follow the steps there that were provided by St. Elizabeth's, or St. Elizabeth's provided a number where they could reach technical support in order to assist them with that process. But the individuals who are targeted for that vaccination clinic will receive that information directly.
And although the number is busy because the demand, of course, is great for those 1,100 people that we're really talking about, now you think 60 to 70% may be signed up. So if you had trouble getting through, if you needed help to fill out My Chart, just keep trying, and hopefully that number is more and more available as the demand goes down when more and more people get signed up.
That's correct.
Well, I think it's worth mentioning that, this isn't nothing new. We've been partnered with
Right.
HSHS and BJC, Southern Illinois Healthcare Foundation, So this is part of the coalition that's been doing this now for 354 days, and we're having to have that. It's not just one person can do all this. So we really want to applaud our team members in that coalition for helping out so we can get this done.
And
So-
St. Elizabeth's has easy access, you know, if you need a wheelchair, valet parking, all these things are available at their new hospital that they built. So hopefully you'll be able to see the new hospital if you haven't yet, and you'll be able to get that second dose at the same time.
Very good. So we'll be back tomorrow for day 355. Everybody have a good evening. And let's just keep pushing forward and getting needles in the arms. Have a good evening.
One of the ways we can combat widespread infection is testing. It's been proven time and time again that many people who were infected with COVID-19 are asymptomatic, showing no signs of infection. They unknowingly spread the virus to those most vulnerable in our community. Working together with health departments in our region, free testing has been made available throughout the area, and we encourage all citizens and visitors to take advantage of this opportunity. To Team St. Clair and the rest of Region 4, if we work together, we can and will stop the spread of COVID-19.